tensions escalate between Iran and the West, China has stepped into the diplomatic spotlight. The Chinese Foreign Ministry has pushed for urgent negotiations and announced plans to send a special envoy to the region in an effort to revive talks.
China will send its special envoy for Middle East issues, Zhai Jun, to the Middle East in the near future to make positive efforts to de-escalate tensions. China believes that war and force cannot fundamentally solve problems. Dialogue and negotiation are the right path. Conflicts and differences should be resolved through diplomacy. China will continue to maintain communication with all relevant parties, including those involved in the conflict, strengthen mediation and build consensus.
China says its role will focus on facilitating dialogue rather than dictating outcomes. The special envoy is expected to engage with governments across West Asia to encourage talks and reduce tensions. But unlike Washington, China's diplomacy has long emphasized on economic partnership rather than security alliances. For China, regional stability in West Asia is directly tied to its economic security. China is the biggest buyer of Iranian oil and has long been diplomatically close to the Islamic Republic. Discounted oil, accounting for a significant share of China's seaborne crude imports, has helped cushion its energy security. In 2021, the two countries signed a 25-year-long strategic cooperation agreement, which included Chinese investment of up to $400 billion in Iranian energy and infrastructure. China sees Tehran as a critical link in its long-term geopolitical and economic plans. Tehran's willingness to transact in yuan and circumvent dollar-dominated financial systems align neatly with China's de-dollarization ambitions. With multilateral forums such as BRICS and the Shanghai Cooperation Organization, Iran functions as a willing partner in articulating a post-Western multipolar discourse. Iran also forms a key node in the connective tissue of the Belt and Road Initiative. But China's leverage for peace in the region goes well beyond Iran. China's footprint across West Asia has grown dramatically in the past decade. Through the Belt and Road Initiative, Beijing has poured billions into ports, railways, industrial zones, and energy infrastructure across the region. Across Gulf nations, China has positioned itself as a major investor and trading partner. For the most part, China has over the years advanced incrementally through economic statecraft while avoiding the burdens of security provision. But the risk of a tactical setback in West Asia seems to be forcing China to step in beyond strategic partnerships. US's ambassador to the United Nations, Mike Waltz, told US media that the operation in Iran is also about securing energy for America and hurting China. The question is, can China really broker peace in one of the world's most volatile regions? Its mediation between Saudi Arabia and Iran in 2023 had established its credentials as a stakeholder capable of delivering dialogue where Washington could not. For now, the Chinese envoy may open the door to talks, but with the United States wary of a power balance shift, leading mediation would be a welcome challenge for Beijing. Preksha Jain for India Today.